What did you think of the Bushcraft Bungalow, Ainsley?
It was spacious for my large old frame.
Yeah, because how tall are you?
6'2".
6'2". And
There was ample space either side in those things. In that thing. A little bit cold though, but that was just the...
that was a crappy sleeping bag.
Although I had pooch to keep me warm.
Yeah.
Will keep my feet warm at least.
Yeah, considering you're 6'2" and you had a camp bed in there,
yeah,
it wasn't too bad at all.
Compared to my coffin tent that I have. Yeah, it worked well.
Good stuff. So that's the Onetigris Bushcraft Bungalow in Coyote Brown. As you can see, the vents open at the back. And I didn't set the awning up last night purely because, well, I didn't set the awning up when I set it up, purely because I was actually planning on setting it up somewhere else and using trees to hold that up. And from where it's actually pitched, that wasn't possible. And there's not so much straight wood in here, there's a lot of bent wood, so I just kept it loose and free. As you can see, I haven't used any poles for this setup. I've just used a ridge line between the two trees with a prusik knot, a carabiner just holding, and the carabiner is just between the ridge line and the end tag. But yeah, it is quite spacious inside. As I say, Ainsley, 6'2", had his camp bed in there last night, and I did put underneath just a small extra sheet just to protect the flooring a little bit. So I'm actually looking forward to trying this one out myself sometime. But I brought it today for this particular session just so I could, because they were both new, the Iron Wall TP and the Bushcraft Bungalow. I just wanted to have a bit of a practice setting them up. So I hope you've liked this. If you have, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more stuff like this, kayak camping, that kind of thing. I'll be testing that one out in winter when I get a stove. See what that's like, which should be fun. Right, I'll catch you later.